If you're an iPhone user, then you probably know where to find the search bar. You find the search bar by going to the Today view, that screen that contains all those widgets, and then at the top you find the search bar. Another way of accessing the search bar is by swiping down from the middle of the home screen or second screen or third screen. Doesn't really matter, but when you swipe down from the middle, you automatically see the search bar appear at the top. What also might appear are Siri suggestions, suggesting you to open one of your favorite apps. Unfortunately, many of those apps are social media apps, so you don't want for Siri or your phone to trigger you, to suggest you to open Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. So you want to disable that whole feature. Luckily, that's possible. So what you do is you go to Settings, and then in Settings, when you scroll down, you will automatically see Siri and Search. And when you tap Siri and Search, you see quickly the option Suggestions in Search. When you tap that toggle switch, when you disable Suggestions in Search, and you go back to the search screen, then you see there are no more suggestions. There are other options on that Siri and Search screen that you want to disable that I will talk about in future videos. But for now, it is important to disable the Suggestions in Search so Siri, your iPhone, are not going to trigger you to open any favorite apps, aka social media apps, when you want to search anything on your phone.